Worried about ransomware locking up your files, photos, or even your entire computer? Imagine turning on your PC tomorrow and seeing a message that says your files have been encrypted, and the only way to get them back is to pay a hacker. That's ransomware, and it's happening more often than you think. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you the first things you should turn on inside TotalAV to make sure your computer is fully protected from ransomware attacks. A lot of people install antivirus software, but they never actually configure it properly. So today, I'm going to walk you through the exact settings you should enable so you're not leaving any gaps in your protection. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how TotalAV protects you from ransomware, how to turn on real-time protection, how to enable ransomware-specific shields, how to set up backups and restore points, and how to optimize your settings so you stay protected without constant annoying alerts. This can save you a lot of stress and frustration online. So let's jump right in. I want you to understand why this matters. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your files, meaning it locks them so you can't open them. Then it demands payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to unlock them. Now here's the scary part. You don't have to be careless to get infected. It can come from an email attachment that looks legitimate, a fake invoice or delivery notification, a cracked software downloaded, or even a compromised website. And once it runs, it can encrypt documents, photos, videos, business files, and even external devices. That's why protection isn't optional anymore. TotalAV gives you built-in ransomware defense, but you need to make sure the right features are actually turned on. Here's a key takeaway. Ransomware can hit anyone, but TotalAV gives you a safety net if you enable the right protections today. If you don't have a TotalAV account, you can use the link in the description below to get started. Real-time protection is your first and most important layer of defense. Here's what to do. Open your TotalAV dashboard, navigate to the real-time protection section. Make sure it's toggled on. Confirm the status says active or protected. Now let me explain why this matters. Without real-time protection, TotalAV only scans when you manually run a scan. With it turned on, it monitors files the moment they are downloaded, opened, modified, or installed. That means if ransomware tries to execute, TotalAV can block it before it encrypts your files. Now we're going one level deeper. Standard antivirus testing is great, but ransomware needs an extra layer. Inside TotalAV, go to the ransomware protection section. Enable folder protection or sensitive file monitoring. Review which folders are being protected, save and confirm the settings are active. What this does is monitor your most important folders, like documents, desktop, and pictures for suspicious behavior. If a program suddenly tries to encrypt hundreds of files at once, TotalAV will flag it and instantly block it. This is important because ransomware often works extremely fast, within minutes. It can encrypt thousands of files. This shield is designed to detect behavior patterns, not just known virus signatures. While you're here, make sure these folders are properly selected. If you run a business or store important files elsewhere, manually add those folders too. Now here's where most people skip a critical step. Even with protection enabled, no security software is 100% perfect. That's just reality. That's why backups are your ultimate safety net. Inside TotalAV, open the backup or restore point section. Set up automatic backups for your protected folders. Choose daily or weekly backup frequency. Create a restore point before major system changes. Let me explain why this is so powerful. If ransomware somehow gets past your defenses, a backup allows you to wipe your system, restore clean files, and avoid paying hackers. You basically remove their leverage. Daily backups are best if you work on important files constantly. Weekly backups are fine for casual users. Cloud backups are safer against hardware failure. Local backups are faster but require external storage. Now let's fine-tune everything. We want strong protection, but we don't want constant pop-ups and false alarms. Here's what to adjust. Make sure automatic updates are enabled. Keep virus definitions up to date. Adjust alert sensitivity if you're getting too many warnings. Enable automatic scans weekly. Keeping updates updates on is critical because ransomware evolves constantly. New variants appear all the time, and updates ensure your protection stays current. If you're on a slower PC, you can also schedule scans during off hours or reduce scan sensitivity for better performance. TotalAV gives you layered protection against ransomware, but you need to turn on these features to get the full benefit. If you want to get started with TotalAV Ransomware Protection, use the link in the description below. Just so you know, this is an affiliate link, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free step-by-step tutorials just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.